Hello there, hi, this is Julie Rothwell here. I am currently up at my art studio and I decided to pop on and give you a little tour, virtual studio tour. I'm not sure if many of you have seen inside my studio. I was here, it's just so peaceful and lovely. I thought I'd share a little bit of that with you. So I'm in an old kind of converted barn, it's lovely, it's just stunning up here. So I thought I'd share. So I actually share with somebody who kind of works in the other side. Let me turn this around a moment. And then I kind of have this area. So it's all a bit upside down at the moment because I moved a lot of my equipment out and took home at the start of lockdown so that I could paint at home and not be up here every day. So yeah, there's kind of got all my equipment around, but it is looking a little bit of a higgledy-piggledy at the moment and lots of bare empty spaces. But I thought I'd show you some art. So actually the light's reflecting. I might show you some that aren't glazed. The light is quite bright today. So this is a painting that is painted with wax. It's just the colours and the just the textures in it. I'll show you some close-ups. I'll let the art speak for itself, but you get these really amazing, but it's really vibrant and bright, quite an uplifting feeling that I get from it. And I've kind of quadranted it into 4 sections. So there's those ones there. And then I'll show you, I won't show you too many, I'll keep this quite short, but this one is up on my website actually. So this is a wax and daymar with lots of added pigments on. I'll show you a little bit of the texture up close. So you just get these so it's really, really tactile, feels. And it's really tactile. The light, in different lights, sometimes it really reflects and really kind of pings at you and shines. Most of these paintings, they really change depending on how bright and sunny it is on a particular day. But yeah, so the textures are just, I love them. The light sort of bounces off them. So yeah, there's one there, lots and lots of textures. This is one of my portraits. So again, she has a lot of texture when you kind of come in up close. She's got lots of texture on her. Piercing green eyes, but when you kind of come back and stand in the room, she's got this really steely look at you, and she kind of looks at me from across the room. I love that sort of steely, it's a bit of a determined look about her. So yes, that's one of her. I'm trying to think what her name is. The painting title, sorry, is on the website anyway. So let's move around this chair. So I won't do too many. I'll just do like 2 or 3 paintings, I think, and I'll do a few more of these if you like the look of them. Yeah, this is another one. Again, lots and lots of texture. Hopefully you can see this okay, and my hand isn't too shaky. But there's just layers and layers and layers of wax and pigments. This has silver leaf on it. Yeah, so those are all on my website. You can see them on there. I think what I'll do is I'll just keep doing these, and as I add them to my website, I'll focus on those particular pictures. Anyway, turn this around again. Hello, Bob, how you doing? Nice to see you on here. Just doing a little studio tour. I'm sitting up here. It's beautiful today. The birds are singing. It's bright and sunny. Actually, I'll show you the view out of my window. I'm actually working on this piece today. I've taken it outside, but actually it's a little bit too hot. So I'm working on a big piece, just getting a few more layers on. So all of my paintings have multiple layers on them. So I'm not sure what size that is. It's going to be probably, I don't know what it is, 6 foot by 3 foot maybe. So working on that one. Yeah, it's the first time I've been up to the studio for ages, so it's really nice to spend a bit of time up here. And I'll show you the view from my window. So look at this, look. I mean, what a beautiful view. You can't help but be inspired by my materials there. Yeah, how lucky am I to have this as a space to work from. So There you go. So anyway, I just thought I'd do a real quick peek inside my studio. I normally do these on my Facebook page, and I just realised that so few people are seeing it. I'd jump on my personal page instead and say hello to a few people. Hello, Kevin. I can see you as well now, and Wendy. Hello. Nice to see you all. So thanks for jumping on. Hope you found it interesting. Yeah, this is where I come and where I work when I am not. I'm trying to get out the light when I'm not on lockdown with children. And yeah, it's been lovely just having a bit of time up here today. Anyway, I'll keep it short. I just thought I'd jump on and say hello. Catch you soon. Bye.